The question is, can I chew gum and make a video at the same time? Well, that remains to be seen. But let's see if we can make a container for our tapping fluid. Here we go. So you got your cutting fluid for your lathe or your mill, and you just went and bought this 50-cent acid brush. And you're tired of wielding this great big jug, and you know, because it falls over and whatnot, and it's not very handy to pour oil onto this and then to transfer it onto your workpiece. So most people go and purchase a container to hold the fluid, dip into, and then spread it onto your workpiece. And of course, I see tons of people creating all kinds of cool stuff. Mr. P, I believe, is using like an old pop can, or a soda can, I guess called in the States. So, I'm from Canada, by the way. So I chose to chew gum and having a container for my cutting fluid. Look at this. You know, these, whatever type of gum that you like, comes in this nice container. This unscrews, and this clicks and flips up. In goes your brush. Apply the fluid. Voila, that's it. So how hard was this to make? Not very hard at all. If you have some epoxy, a little magnet, you're good to go. Epoxy the magnet underneath, you're set. That's it. I hope this helped you. Take care. So you just got your lathe all set up. You're a beginner in Canada, and you say, what do I do now? Well, my friends, you need some oil. But you're in Canada, so it's never easy. So let me help you find some oil. Okay, for all of you Canadians, it's not as easy for us to find stuff for our lathes as it is for our American cousins. So one of the things as a beginner that I had extreme difficulty in finding, and I'm located in Halifax, which is on the east coast of Canada. And one of the difficult things for me to find was oils that were going to match the specifications for my South Bend 13 lathe. So when you refer to the manuals, there are three types of oils that you're going to need for all you beginners. You're going to need spindle oil, gear oil, and whey oil. So all of the listings that I could find in the books refer to mobile type oils. I contacted mobile reps. Unless you're buying 45-gallon worth of oil, forget it. You can't get it. So I looked and looked and looked, and at some point I stumbled, this is about after a month's worth of searching, I stumbled upon KBC Tools, whom I located in Toronto. And these guys, so I actually phoned these guys and I said, look, here's the oils that I need for my lathe. Gentleman, very knowledgeable, said, here are the oils you need. And these actually meet specifications from South Bend. So my lathe is in good shape. I want to keep it that way. There's your spindle oil. There's your gear oil. And there's your whey oil. My lathe's in excellent condition for a lathe from 1944, and I want to keep it that way. So I follow the recommendations faithfully on oiling my lathe, and I wanted to make sure I continue using the proper oils. So my friends, if you from Canada, my friends from Canada, should you have difficulty finding oils, KBC Tools, those are the people. And by the way, make sure you get yourself a copy of how to run a lathe. I've got a couple different versions. Very, very handy. So this is one of my quick tips for today, and take care. Hope this helped you out.